Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most annoying Google Play errors, that is error retrieving information from server DF-DFERH-01. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix error retrieving information from server DF-DFERH-01 with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Once restarted successfully, open the Google Play and check for the error retrieving information. Solution 2. Clear Google Play Store cache and data. Corrupted cache and data is the major reason behind getting this error on Android. So, if you haven't cleared the cache of the Google Play for a long time, then just do it and try to fix the problem. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Google Play Store. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Remove your Google account and add it again. Another way that you can try is to remove your Google account from the device. This will delete all the associated app files and caches, causing the error retrieving information from server. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down to locate Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. To remove the account, click on More and tap on Remove Account. Your Google account and all its associated file data will be deleted. Sign into your account again by tapping on Google and adding your account. Solution 4. Check for system software update. It might possible that you are getting Google Play error DF-DFERH-01 due to using an outdated OS. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, proceed with the download. Simply go to Settings on your Android. Then find and tap on Software Update. After that, tap on Download and Install. Solution 5. Uninstall Google Play Store updates. Sometimes, the Play Store app updates automatically and can also make the changes without your permission. In such a situation, uninstalling the Google Play updates could help you to resolve this issue. Navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here, you will see all apps and find the Google Play Store. Tap on it, then you will see 3 dots menu at top right corner. Simply tap on it. Then, tap on Uninstall Updates. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot the Google Play Store crashing issue on Android, then there is no better option than using Android Repair Tool. It can fix many Android system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, and many more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below.